हेलो बच्चों, उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपका फाउंडेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का पेपर काफ़ी अच्छा हुआ होगा जो कि आज आपने दिया है। आज आपके एग्ज़ाम कंप्लीट हुए हैं और मेरे पास सेट 4 अवेलेबल है जिसका सॉल्यूशन मैंने आपके लिए बनाया है और साथ ही साथ मैं आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन भी दूंगा ताकि आप कंफर्म हो सकें कि आपका सॉल्यूशन बिल्कुल सही है या आपने कहीं कोई मिस्टेक कर दी है। तो आइए देखते हैं, सॉल्यूशन को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि सॉल्यूशन में क्या क्या है आपके लिए। बेसिकली इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए हुए थे जो आपने ऑलरेडी कर लिए होंगे। फाउंडेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी क्लास 10th, ठीक है। पेपर आपका 2.5 घंटे का रहा था और 2.5 घंटे के पेपर में सबसे पहले हमारे पास सेक्शन ए को देखते हैं। सेक्शन ए जो आपका एमसीक्यू पार्ट था, जहां पे दिया हुआ है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर नॉट द एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ एंकर टैग। तो एंकर टैग में टाइटल नाम का कोई एट्रीब्यूट नहीं होता है, ठीक है। नेम होता है, HREF होता है और सोर्स भी होता है। तो इसका जो जवाब है, इस सवाल का जो जवाब है वो है आपका टाइटल एट्रीब्यूट। चलिए मैं आपके सॉल्यूशन के साथ देखता हूं यहां पे, आइए। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो आपके पास है, हेडिंग टैग्स इन HTML आर। कौन कौन से हेडिंग टैग्स अवेलेबल हैं? तो जो हेडिंग टैग्स अवेलेबल हैं वो H1 से H6 अवेलेबल हैं। बाकी H1 से H5 गलत है, H1 से H10 गलत है, H1 से H8 गलत है। मैंने आपको बताया था मार्किंग स्कीम्स को टच करने के लिए आप लोगों को मैंने सॉल्यूशन भी दिया था। उस मार्किंग स्कीम से कई सारे क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं इस वाले एग्जाम में, जैसा कि मैं देख रहा हूं, ठीक है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर द पॉपुलर वेब ब्राउजर्स, मतलब कौन से वेब ब्राउजर्स जो हैं वो पॉपुलर हैं। तो इसमें ये सारे वेब ब्राउजर्स हैं, फायरफॉक्स, सफारी, नेविगेटर, दिस ऑल आर द ब्राउजर। तो जो इसका सही जवाब है वो सही जवाब क्या है? ऑल ऑफ द अबव। तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने यहाँ पे लिख रखा है ऑल ऑफ द अबव, ठीक है। अगला क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट एक्सएमएल। एक्सएमएल के लिए क्या ट्रू नहीं है? तो इट्स फुल फॉर्म इज एक्सटेंसिबल, ये ट्रू पार्ट है। न्यू टैग्स कैन बी डिफाइन एक्सएमएल एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट, ये भी ट्रू पार्ट है। एक्सएमएल इज यूज्ड फॉर डेटा शेयरिंग, ये भी ट्रू पार्ट है। एक्सएमएल टैग्स आर नॉट केस सेंसिटिव, ये फॉल्स पार्ट है कि एक्सएमएल के जो टैग्स होते हैं वो सेंसिटिव होते हैं, नॉट सेंसिटिव इज अ रॉन्ग आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को देखिए कि एम इन HTML स्टैंड्स फॉर। एम का मतलब क्या होता है? मैनेजमेंट? बिल्कुल नहीं। मार्कअप, क्योंकि आप सभी को पता है व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म HTML, हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। तो एम इज द मार्कअप हियर, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज मार्कअप हियर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर आते हैं कि अगला क्वेश्चन आपसे क्या पूछा जा रहा है। आइए क्वेश्चंस को देखिए। जो अगला क्वेश्चन है, इन दैट क्वेश्चन इट्स आस्किंग मेंशन द सुटेबल HTML टैग्स एंड द एट्रीब्यूट्स टू इंसर्ट एन इमेज नेम्ड globe.jpg इन द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ वेब पेज। तो कहता है कि मेंशन द सुटेबल HTML टैग्स एंड द एट्रीब्यूट। तो सुटेबल टैग्स और एट्रीब्यूट बताना है क्योंकि आपको HTML पेज के बैकग्राउंड में इमेज लगाना है। तो इसके लिए जो टैग होगा उस टैग का नाम है बॉडी टैग, ठीक है। और जो एट्रीब्यूट हम यूज करते हैं वो हम, क्योंकि हमें बैकग्राउंड में इमेज लगाना है तो हम यहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड यूज करेंगे। लेकिन अगर बैकग्राउंड में कलर होता तो हम बिजी कलर एट्रीब्यूट यूज करते। अच्छा, इसका मैं एग्जांपल भी दिखा दूं आपको कि आप कैसे यूज करोगे। तो बॉडी आपको लिखना क्या है? बॉडी, और बॉडी के आगे आप यहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड, और बैकग्राउंड के बाद जो भी फाइल का एड्रेस है जैसे globe.jpg, तो globe.jpg लिख के इसको क्लोज कर देना है, ठीक है। तो इस तरीके से आप इंसर्ट कर देंगे। जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है उस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे जरा ध्यान दीजिएगा कि अगला क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है। राइट द URL ऑफ एनी वन ई गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट। तो दीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ सो मेनी ई गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट, india.gov.in, ncez.gov.in, mygov.in, income tax india filling.gov.in, है ना। हरियाणा के वेबसाइट्स भी हैं, आप जो लिख सकते हैं। तो कई सारे ई गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट हैं, इसमें से किसी एक का एग्जांपल आपको देना था। व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ URL? यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर। यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर, दिस इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ URL जो कि यहां पे दिया हुआ है, ठीक है। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस को देखते हैं कि ब्रीफली डिस्कस द ब्रीफली डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ ए वेब ब्राउजर। अब आपको यहाँ पे रोल ऑफ ए वेब ब्राउजर बताना है इंटरनेट सर्फिंग में। सर्फिंग के दौरान वेब ब्राउजर का क्या रोल है? नॉर्मली यू ऑल नो दैट द वेब ब्राउजर यूज्ड टू सेंड द रिक्वेस्ट टू द सर्वर एंड गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द सर्वर। और आप ये कह सकते हो कि इट इज एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर विच हेल्प अस इन एक्सेसिंग द वेबसाइट, एक्सेसिंग एंड व्यूइंग द वेबसाइट। तो इन दिस वे यू मे राइट एनी आंसर। ओके, आप इसे बना के लिख देते और आपने लिख ही दिया होगा। तो बेसिक पॉइंट ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपको ये मेंशन करना है कि वेब ब्राउजर एक एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है जो इंटरनेट एप्लीकेशंस में इंटरनेट को एक्सेस करने में हमारी मदद करता है। ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू मे राइट द आंसर। आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन हियर, फ्रॉम हियर यू मे नोट डाउन द रिक्वेस्ट, सेंड द रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम क्लाइंट कंप्यूटर टू सर्वर कंप्यूटर एंड शो द रिजल्ट इन अ वेरिएबल फॉर्म। एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है यूज्ड टू एक्सेस एंड व्यू द वेबसाइट। व्हाट आर ई ग्रुप्स? अब ई ग्रुप्स क्या होता है? तो ई ग्रुप्स का मतलब, ग्रुप का मतलब क्या होता है? कम्युनिटी, क्लब इज अ फीचर ऑफ मेनी सोशल नेटवर्किंग सर्विसेज। मतलब यू आर यूजिंग द सोशल साइट्स वेयर यू आर गेटिंग द सो मेनी ग्रुप्स आर देयर, लाइक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, फेसबुक ग्रुप। तो ये जो ग्रुप, दिस ग्रुप्स आर नोन एज द ई ग्रुप फॉर अ वर्चुअल कम्युनिकेशन। इट इज यूज्ड फॉर द वर्चुअल कम्युनिकेशन। चलिए इसी के साथ हम बढ़ते हैं सेक्शन, नेक्स्ट सेक्शन है हमारा सेक्शन बी। हम सेक्शन बी पे आते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन ईमेल स्पैमिंग एंड कंप्यूटर वर्म्स। मैं आपको बता दूं व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द ईमेल स्पैमिंग। व्हेनेवर वी आर गेटिंग द जंक मेल्स फ्रॉम द जंक और बल्क मेल्स फ्रॉम द अननोन सेंडर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड email spamming. And worms is a self-replicating program. It is a malware, it is a virus which replicates itself on your computer and it's consume your memory. It can spread through the network, through the internet, through the LAN, from one computer to another computer. So look at the answer. Answer is already written here, section B. Email spamming, getting junk email or bulk mail from the unknown, called spamming. Worms is the self-replicating malware computer programs which consume computer memory and spread through computer network. Next question है आपके लिए, इसी सेट पे आइए। Briefly explain the significance of video conferencing. You all people are aware of that. What is the use of video conferencing? It is the face-to-face communication. Means you try to communicate with me and I am in Mahendragarh, I am somewhere else and you are in Delhi and we want to talk with you. Definitely we need a video calling facility or video conferencing facility. ठीक है, तो सिग्निफिकेंस बताने थे हमें यहाँ पे कि व्हाट आर द सिग्निफिकेंस। द हेल्प इन डूइंग फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन बाय सिटिंग एट डिफरेंट लोकेशन, हेल्पफुल इन शेयरिंग एंड लर्निंग, शेयरिंग ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, दिस ऑल आर पॉसिबल्स, बिजनेस प्रपोजल्स, बिजनेस डिस्कशंस, ओके, सेमिनार, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस, दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर पॉसिबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. सो मेनी टाइम्स यू सॉ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी is taking the video conferencing and talking with their administrative departments or some of the senior personals with the help of video conferencing. The next question for you, Shreya has just started learning HTML and she has made a list of the few tags which she will be using in creating on a web page, but by mistake mention wrong attributes in front of the tags. Help her in correct attributes from column B for tags of column A. तो आइए देखते हैं, बॉडी के सामने उसने क्या लिख दिया श्रेया ने? नेम. इमेज के सामने क्या लिख दिया? टेक्स्ट. ऑयल के सामने अल्ट और ए के सामने स्टार्ट. दिस ऑल आर रॉन्ग एज द क्वेश्चन already mentioned in the question. So correct answer is body. What is the tags is come with the body? Text. Text is used to change the text color. IMG, alt. Alt is used to provide the text informations. Whenever you put your mouse pointer on the image, it will show that message. OL, with that a start to start the list. Anchor is has the name attributes. So these are the correct answer of this. Achha, this question has an option questions also. Ki mention any two attributes of IMG tag with along with their significance. You all know that IMG tag is used for inserting image in a web page in HTML. So it has a two most common attributes, src and alt. src is the source through which you can specify the URL of the image, and alt is specify alternative text for an image. Okay. What is the next question? The next question is question number it's a 10. Explain the term data and database briefly. You all know the data is what? Data is the raw facts, figures and information, whatever. It may be sometime meaningful and sometime may not be meaningful. But database is what? It is a collection of interrelated data items. What is this? Collection of interrelated data items of a particular domain or organization, that is called database. Achha, this question number 10 also has an optional question. So optional question questions is there. Observe the field names of a database given below in column A for train reservation. Write suitable data types for each field from the respective field in column B. Means there is the column name, field name is here, and you have to decide the data type. So passenger name, definitely it's required to take the informations of the alphabets and alphanumeric information may be given there. So it is a text data type. Age, it is a definitely number value, so it's a numeric data type. Gender, it's maybe text because sometimes you have to write male, female, and if you suppose you want to write M or F only, then maybe possible it's a boolean value, but better to take a text so that you are free to write complete male or female. Next is the mobile number. It is a text data type. Don't assume mobile number is a numeric because you have to write the mobile number with the start with the 0. You have to write the mobile number sometime with the country code, means +91 like this way. So don't take mobile number as an integer, it's always as a numeric value. So move on the next question. Question number 11. Question number 11 is Mr. Ayush is the sports captain. Mr. Ayush is the sports captain of the school. Has to display sequence of the upcoming annual sports day on the school website. On a school website. Okay. So on a school websites, he has to show the some information, help him in the writing HTML code to create the table in HTML as shown in a given screenshot. Means you have to show the table in this way: annual sports day, sequence of events, 8 AM to 9 AM, 9 AM to 1 AM, 1 to 2. Means this complete table has the 3 rows and 3 columns, but the first row combine the all columns together. So look at the answer first. So answer is written here, HTML. Okay, start with your code with the HTML. Okay, then you write the head, then you write the title. I'm just mentioning the upcoming annual sports day, so link the questions, then close the head, then start the body. And because you have to start the table, so you have to write here table border 1. Okay, because the boundary line is showing here. Now the first line, it is written TR, means table row. Now this is the heading of the row, so I'm written here TH instead of writing TD, table header. So col span is 3. Why the col span 3? Because it consumes 3 column space here. Its width is equal to the 3 column space. So that says col span annual sport day, sequence of events is written. Close the TR here. Now again start the another row. This is for this row where you have to mention the time, 8 AM, 9 AM again. And because these all are the cell, and cell information is written with the help of the TD. So I have written here 3 TD, TD1, TD2 and TD3, and in that I have written 8, 9, 9 to 1 and 1 to 2 PM, whatever the time mentioned and given in the questions. Then again you want another row, so before going to start the another row, you have to close the row. Look at this row is closed here. Then start the another row. Inside that TD cultural events, TD track events, TD price distribution, close the TR, close the table, close the body and HTML. I like to show this code here also in this way. This is, look at this HTML head, titles, all are in proper colored and proper format is given here. Now I want to show the output of the given code. Look at this. This is the output of that code which I executed here. If you have doubts, I want to clarify. This is the question number 11 HTML, and look at this. This is also the question number 11 HTML, the output of this question. Okay, so in this way you have to show the output on the screen. Okay, now so move on the next part. Your questions, yeah, come on the next solution. So now the next question, discuss the role of the web browsers and web clients briefly. As I know that the browser, web servers and web clients. So web server is what? It is responsible to give the response to the client. It is the repository center where all informations are stored, and the main purpose of the server is to give the service. That's why it is called server. And client, because it is a client, so client is always demanding, always asking, always making request and getting the data with the help of the web server. So that is the role and purpose of the web server and web browser. Okay, now the question number 13 here. What is this? Sumit has to create following list through HTML as a part of his social science project. Help him to write HTML code for the same. Asian computers and their capitals, India, and inside that the New Delhi, Pakistan, inside that Islamabad. This is the capital, the name of the country and their capital. So solution of this question is written here. I like to show the solutions through here, because you are able to find it in proper way. Look at this HTML head title. This is a social science project, Asian countries and their capitals. Now we'll type 1 because you have to show the list 1 India, then the circle, inside the circle New Delhi, and because that is the circle, so it is the ordered list. 1 2 is the ordered list, but this is the unordered list. Okay, so start the unordered list, write the li here because only one capital for the one country is there given. So close the now the another li, this li under this ol, so Pakistan, again ul circle, type this, Thailand like this, New Delhi, and at last close the ol, and at last close the body and HTML. Now I like to show the output. I'm just changing the number of the questions, so it is a question number 13, so I just put here and look at the output. In the same way, questions demanding you to show the output, you may look at this file. So this file is this output you have to show, this output you have to show, and the same output is on a browser also. Okay, I hope you understand this solution properly. So now move on the next question. What is the next question? The next question is, what do you understand by the term computer virus? Mention any 2 symptoms which may confirm the virus infections on your computer. So computer virus is what? It is a program. It is a malicious program with intention to damage your computer, with intention to disturb you and your computer. And virus is a computer program with malicious activity. It can replicate itself and spread into your computer. What are the effects? How can I come to know that my computer get infected with the virus? Definitely, if your computer gets slowed down, maybe due to virus, you are not able to open your particular file, it's maybe possible due to the virus. You are not able to open a particular application, it is also possible due to the virus. You are not able to access your computer, entire computer not able to access. This is also the cause of the computer virus. So there are so many reasons, but the speed is the mostly matter, and if you are not able to open any particular file, then it means that your computer get infected with the virus. Okay, now this question has the or questions also. It is an optional question. The question number, which question it is? Question number 14. It has an optional question. Suggest any 3 precautionary measures which one should adopt while being on the social networking websites. So be careful whenever you using the social networking websites. Don't share your personal information. Never share your bank details. Never accept any friend request of any unknown which you don't know. Means you don't know. I'm just talking about if you know directly, then try to accept the request. Means suppose on most of the time Facebook, you are getting the suggestions from the Facebook. This one is the friend of the that friend and friend of the that friend. Don't believe on anyone. Never chat and share your personal information with any unknown or which you don't know directly. Never try to chat with anyone, and if they ask your personal information, don't try to give him. Don't try to give him or her. So these are the precautions you must have to take. Now the next question, question number 15. Draw an XML tree for the code given below and also identify and name the root element. Okay, so library is the root element here. The first I like to tell you. Now inside the library there is a books tag. Inside the books there is a classic tags. Inside the classic there are 2 subtags, author and name child tags here. Now close the classic. Classic is the child tag for the books, and books close. Books is the child tag for the library. Now the another tag is started, magazine, inside that is sports. Now the name, a sports star, close the name, frequency, fortnightly, close the, and sports magazine and library. So what you have to show? You have to show the XML tree. So I'll just show you the XML tree of the given question. Look at this. This is your XML tree. Library. Inside the library, books and magazine, there are 2 child tags, but inside the books there are classic. Inside the books there is a 1 child tag, that is the classic, and classic has 2 subchilds, that is the author and name. In another side, magazine has a 1 child tag, sports, and sports has a 2 child tag, that is name and frequency. So this is the XML tree, and it's also you to identify the name of the root element. So this one is the root element, library. The name of root element is library. Move on the next question. Question number 16. Attempt any 1 question out of the given 2. Means there are 2 questions, and out of this you have to attempt any 1. The question 1 is the Taj Mahal, and question 2 is the differentiate between container and empty element. So now first look at this question. So Susila, a web designer working with the global designer, is supposed to design a web page as shown below. Means she want to design a web page. Taj Mahal, the photographs, the Taj Mahal, and something about the Taj Mahal, and then the contact us link is given. Some more information is given here. Write the HTML code to design the above shown web page, consider the specification as a given below. Background color of your web page should be pink. So now look at this. I am just giving the solution here. So web page color is the pink. I hope I like to show these questions here so that you can understand it's in proper way. You look at the question. The first question, background color of the page should be pink. So I just started my HTML by page with HTML, then head, then title. Inside this I am written just the Taj Mahal. Now the body, because it says the background color, so I have written here BG color pink. Then it's saying that and the link color and the hyperlink text should be green. So it is written link green. There are three types of the hyperlinked attributes which can be used here: a link, v link, and link. Link is the color of the hyperlink text. V link means the visiting. After visiting, what is the color? And a is the active whenever you click. So here it is required link. The image name JPG should be placed in the center of the web page. Means he asked to place an image also in the center of the web page. So I just start the center tag. Inside the center, I just written the img tag, img, then src, then the file of the my file Taj JPG, it's on desktop, so I've written there desktop here also, and then close the center tag. Okay, so this way, this is the second instruction. Okay, next, now what is the next question? Next part, heading. The Taj Mahal should be first level of heading and underlined. So heading H1, align center, it is in center. Look at this, it is showing in the center, and it says underline, so I'm just writing U also. The Taj Mahal, close the U, close the H1. Okay, next is the paragraph should have the following formatting style. So I started the paragraph. Now we have to formatting style, so I start the font tag here. Now color is blue. Okay, color is blue here. Now size is 5, size is just I am showing you size is 5 here. Now the style is Times New Roman, so style is Times New Roman. Then after you have to write some lines. Lines are given here. The Taj Mahal is the world famous monument, so I just type there, close the font, close the paragraph. Just after that you have to make it context us link. What is this? Context us link. What the context us? At the bottom of the page, context us text should be linked with the admin@taj.com email ID. It is the email ID, so I just start the href mail to, because you have to give the email ID here, so you have to use the mail to. If you have to create hyperlink, then no need to use the mail to, just give the URL address inside the href, because you are doing the mail to mail linking here. So mail to admin@taj.mahal, contact us, and at last close the A, at last close the body and close the HTML. Now I am showing you the accurate output of this code. Just I am going on this, look at this questions. So what is this? Question number 16. So now come at here, question number 16. I am going to change, in place of 13 I'll just write 16 here. Look at this 16, question number 16. Press the enter key, look at the output. Basic color is pink. Look at this, this basic color is pink. Link is green. Look at this is contact us, it is a green color. Now image heading is the Taj Mahal, so Taj Mahal. Image in a center, so look at this Taj Mahal image, it is in center. I'll show you, just increasing the size, it's automatically going on center. Okay, next is the heading, it's already written, underline also, that's very good. Now the paragraph, so paragraph is started, size color is blue, so the all paragraph contents is blue here. Times New Roman, font size is the Times New Roman, so okay. Then after, what is this? This much instruction is given, close the font, and size is 5, so size is 5 here, and close mail to. Now click on there, look at this, in the bottom you can look at here only a status bar, you can see the mail to. I'll just click here, it started the my mail box to send the mail on that particular address. Okay, move on the next questions. So what is the next questions are there? So next question is the option questions also. This question has a one option question, and what is the option question? Differentiate between container empty elements in HTML. Also give any two examples of SQL tags from each category. So this is available here. Look at this, container empty elements. You know that container elements which has their opening and closing tags, which has their opening and closing element, and empty which has only opening, not the closing, that is empty element. So the some examples also want, it's want two examples. So examples I've written here, container elements, font, start, then give the some done content, then close the font, paragraph, body, HTML, head, title. So many container elements is available in HTML. Whenever you are going to talk about the empty elements, so look at the empty, the most common empty element, BR for breaking of line, HR for placing the horizontal rules like this way. So this one is the solution of the today's paper. I hope you understand this solution, and if you understand, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. My channel link is www.youtube.com Anjeeb Singh, and it's name Anjeeb Singh Academy, and you must be like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.